What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. We have traveled up to South Boston, Virginia, South Boston Speedway today. It is about 35 degrees. There's the sun rising back there. It's currently about 8 o'clock in the morning. Had to get here real early. It's a day race today for the Cars Tour 125. So green flag drops at 3. Practice starts in about 20 minutes at 8:15. So boy, it's mighty cold. We're riding with a team that I've always wanted to work with. The whole time I've been doing this channel, we're riding with Lee Pulliam today, LPP, Lee Pulliam Performance, and his driver, Brandon Pierce. So gonna find some hot hands and some hot chocolate, and we'll get in here and get the day started. Get you a look at the 4/10 mile of South Boston Speedway. The sun rises over turn 3. 34 late model stocks on the entry list today. So be who we riding with today. Brandon Pierce in the Crossroads Harley-Davidson Chevrolet. South Boston Speedway. All right, y'all say hello to Brandon Pierce, who we riding with today in the number 2 Crossroads Harley-Davidson Chevrolet. Brandon, man, the sun just came up. What are we doing at a racetrack?
I know, right? I tell everybody if it's this cold and this early, I better be in a deer stand. So, but I guess racing ain't that bad either. So it's good to be home. I called this place home for 3 full years before joining the tour full time back in 2018. So one of my longtime sponsors, Thunder Road Harley-Davidson, always sponsors the big 200 lapper up here in July. So it's good to be home. It's good to see some familiar faces. And it helps too, the shop ain't but 15 minutes down the road, so we're gonna have a lot of the Lee Pulliam gang out here tonight. So couldn't be more honored to have you want us to ride with you. And I think we got a good piece. We were decent yesterday, we need a little bit, but I think we got a good game plan together this morning to try to find a little bit of speed. And hopefully be a front runner for this thing later on this afternoon.
You've always ran real good at South Boston. You think that'll carry over? It's been a little bit of an up and down year. You ran good, just a lot of mechanical problems.
Yeah, that's the thing, man. You know, it's just we've kept a good team morale and a good attitude. It don't do no good to get down. You know, you can't control some things, and luckily this year a lot of those have been the uncontrollables. So it still don't make it no easier. It still causes us a little bit of sleepless nights and long hours, but you know, Lee and the guys have been bringing me great cars every week. We just need some luck. So it definitely does feel good to just come home and just strap in and go get after it at a place that I got a lot of laps and is very familiar to me. So I really do think that this could be the weekend we have a strong run. I'm not sure if we have a winter race car right now, but I think we have a really solid race car. I think we're 1 or 2 adjustments away from being able to be a top 3 car. So I look forward to later on this afternoon and getting after it in practice here in the next 30 minutes. And like I said, I feel confident if we can get that last adjustment or 2 that we'll be in business for later on this afternoon.
Look at this destroy of these guys. Yeah. Hear about all the way
Got my spotter, Steven. He done dove into one of these famous bologna burgers.
With egg.
With egg. Yeah, we see here so early. We watched the sunrise here at South
Can
Boston.
you see the steam coming out?
Yeah. Tell us how it is. What
It's good, man.
is it? Hey, is it as good as Orange County? I put you on the spot.
I don't think so, but they're tit for tat. Like so back in the day, Mason Day owned both racetracks.
Yeah.
So it was the same.
Oh,
people doing all
okay.
the
It's coming from the
stuff.
same
So,
source.
Yeah, so back in the early 90s, they were all the same. But they're tit for tat, man. But South Boston does a good job of their bologna burger. They've added a little bit of egg for this early morning practice, which is very good. A little mayonnaise on there.
I had to go get me one. $6. Here I come.
Under the bunker all the way on the outside wall, close the next door. When you come back from qualifying, you need to keep moving forward. Keep moving forward.
All right, Brandon, we was top 10 in practice out of 30 cars. What do you think rolling into qualifying?
Yeah, I feel pretty good about it. Car's been pretty solid all day. We made some gains on it from yesterday, like me and you spoke about this morning. So Lee and them coming with a good game plan and gave me the feel I need. Like I said, I've got a lot of laps here. I'm by no means the best, but when you put all the laps that Lee's got behind the wheel here and then the little bit of success I've had here, you know, we kind of know what each other wants, and he knows what I'm looking for, and I know what he's putting under me. So we were able to find some right there, and I feel really solid about it. I still would like to have a little bit of raw speed, but we haven't really went high air or anything all weekend. We've been on race pressure, so to run some of the times we ran right there on race pressure was pretty impressive. So I feel good about it. It's all up to me now. I got to go out here in an hour or two and see if I can put us down a good lap. You know, that's been one thing that's hurt us a little bit some this year too, is we just haven't had the qualifying speed, and we always race really good, but it's so hard in this series, man. You know, you come every week, so you know it's 20 or today, you know, 30 of the best late model stocks in the country, and when you're coming from 25th, it just makes it so hard on you. So really hoping for a top 5 qualifying effort, but top 10 would be, you know, I think we could go to work from there. So that's the goal here, and I really feel good about it today. That's about all I'm gonna say. Like I said, I don't want to jinx myself. I just, you know, I'm comfortable, I'm relaxed, and I feel good about it. So hopefully all that comes to fruition.
Getting ready to roll through qualifying, Tech. Flagman Brandon Willard over here, waiting as we go out 10th. 10th out, I think it's 34 cars here, so we'll be the second group of qualifying, Tech. Rolled over here, give you 4 tires. You race tires, qualifying tires. Put them on and roll through Tech.
Oh, they could some right. Yeah, they could.
Getting line for qualifying, going out 10th. Here shortly, 2 laps. Take the fastest lap. Time to go qualifying. 34 cars. They're going to start all the cars. Brandon will get 2 laps. Take the fastest lap. time to go out for the autograph session, trunk or treat, whatever it is Tony's saying. All right, it's time to go late model stock cars tour racing. 125 laps. Brandon will be rolling off 25th out of 33 cars. Thinks he's got a real good car. He always races real good. So starting in the rear ain't no worry at all. So the LPB team's working real hard today to get him up to the front. So the pro late model race is finishing up now, and then it'll be go time.
You see that hit?
All right, rolling off 25th, 125 laps with Brandon. Got his bride to be soon, Shelby, over here with him. Shelby, do you get nervous in a time like this?
Yes, very.
What about you, Brandon?
It gets a little hairy being this far back, man. You know, this place it's really fast and stuff happens real fast. So, you know, it makes it tough. So I think we got a good car. I would have liked to have qualified better, but I've got enough laps here. I wouldn't say I'd get necessarily nervous. That's the worst part. You're ready to rock, and you keep having to wait. They keep having some mishaps here in the pro race. So I feel good about it. Guys have worked hard. It's been a tough year. I'm going to go out here and have fun, man. If you ain't having fun, why are you doing it? So that's going to be the main show right here. And hopefully I give everybody something to be nervous about. Maybe we can get up on the top side of these boys and bring an old train to the front.
Roll to the front.
And if I go to pull out, try to complete the pass then. Don't stay pinned down 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, while Brandon pulls out, go sit over there for driver intro. Let's go give one of these bologna burgers a try. Enclosed here, air conditioned at South Boston grandstand getting this bologna burger. I'm here to say the bologna burger lives up to the hype. It ain't quite like the Martinsville hot dog. It lives up to this hype. In my opinion, Martinsville hot dog ain't no good. Get this thing down before we go late model racing here in this air conditioned cafe.
Again, almost to November. In fact, our finale will be in November.
Huge field of cars.
32 cars showed up here this afternoon. So just like that, the field is ready to go. Jack McNelly and company, he's got them lined up. He's doing his final checks on everyone down trackside. Are you guys ready to go racing? That's more like it. South Boston, help me out in 3, 2, 1.
Coming to the green here, tires clean, carb clear. Check up. Pace cars away. For me here. Leader 10 away. 5 and green. Rolling. Inside quarter. Clear low if you want to go.
Take a deep breath. Tell us what you got here. You just passed. I mean, everybody's so goddamn eagle, it's terrible. Yeah, I mean, brother, you know I'll do anything in the world for you, and I would love to pit, but the problem I see, like the 5 car, he pitted, and I mean, he finally got to where he's a car behind you, but I mean, really, it's just no game to be made. Real good job right there, BP. I just try to cool these tires off right here, ride straight. Attack again on this restart. I mean, like McCarty, all those guys, McCaskill, you're running faster than them every lap. Like, definitely, you know, got top 7 speed right here. Just got to get up on the wheel on this restart. Don't lag back at all. Once you get a clear spot, Michael will tell you to turn your blowers back on, but don't do it till he tells you. Pace cars away, be ready for me here. Leader in the middle. Now 10 away. 5. Green, green, green. Roll it. Roll it. Still up top. Outside full. Still there. Keep coming. Keep coming. Still up there. Not a way to handle it, babe. Outside's full. Keep digging. cars on the track faster than you, brother. You'll see 3 call speed. White flag. Drive it on. Straight up off. Keep coming. Keep digging. Drive it up. Keep digging. Outside full. Quarter. Checker, checker. Really good job, bud. Really, really good job. Ever get this qualifying down, man, like the last part of the race, like the only car that was as good as you was the 8 car. Like you were damn sure rolling right there.
Hell of a job, Brandon. Hell of a job. You're the man, brother. Thank you.
If your last name is Sellers, Peters, Kenny, Hamlin, you should find out.
Think I was going to hit the Jersey Bear?
What about it, B. Pierce? 25th to 11, man. You was driving it out at the end.
Yeah, I was worried there at the beginning, I ain't gonna lie. Lee and the guys did a good job keeping me composed. We started out bottoming out there a little bit, but we had to. We were starting so far back, we had to start out on low pressure, and it didn't come up as quick as I thought it would, but it ended up being, you know, our best friend. So it come alive there about lap 65. It's just so hard to pass, and I got to throw it on back.
You couldn't tell it was hard to pass there at the end. You
Yeah,
were making light work of them. I
yeah.
thought you was coming down pit row a couple times.
Yeah, I was able to make it look like old Sobo. You know, the old pavement here, you could run that low down there. So that's what we were able to do right there, and it was a lot of fun. Now I wish I could have gotten these guys a top 10, but we needed about 5 more laps. We were coming. I mean, I know I made up a straightaway there to those last 4 that we passed. So I wish I could have started on the top with 19 to go, or I'm sorry, 24 to go, and I think we definitely could have gotten to 7th or 8th. We were running lap times there at the end. Anybody who looks on Race Monitor fast enough to be the 2nd place car. So really proud of the effort. Our Achilles heel all year's been qualifying and did us again today. So that was gonna hurt a little bit. The car's in one piece. We're passing those cars. We'll get the hard charger award. So get $500 to maybe go buy all these guys a steak. They've definitely earned it. We've had a tough year, so can't thank you enough for coming on board.
Absolutely.
Hope I made it exciting for everybody. I had fun. Love this place. Love doing this, and I'm a blessed guy. I get to drive for Lee Pulliam and hang out with a lot of my friends and drive cars. So just really, really proud of everybody. Like I said, I wish I could have got a little more for them. I'm happy. I'm sure that shows on my face, but it's just tough, man. You know, we haven't had bad luck or gotten taken out. We've ran good, so and the day proved that. You know, like I said, I wish I could have got the boys a finish a little bit better. The car was good enough to be a top 3 car. I just hurt us and had to come from too far back. But passing 14 cars on a racetrack is still something to be pretty proud of. So I'll take it. We'll digest it. We'll take her back to the shop.
Get ready for Caraway in
Get
2
ready
weeks.
for Caraway North-South shootouts.
Finish
So,
cars tore off, then we get to go start going to these special end of the season races.
That's right.
We don't points race. We just
we
go
don't
checker
point-
flags.
We don't points race. We're going to Florence to have a good time. So excited to see Steve Zacharias and his whole family, everybody down there. I've almost won that. I almost won that race last year. I almost won the car store race down there.
You finished what, 3rd last year? I think it
I
was.
finished 3rd in the 400. I finished 2nd in the car store race, and I ran 2nd to Josh Berry down there most of the icebreaker earlier this year until I fell to a rookie mistake chasing the old mouse and burnt my stuff up, and ran out of tire with my tongue hanging out and ended up 5th, but still not a bad day. So just like I said, man, I can't thank these guys enough. Got to see a lot of fans today, a lot of Lee Pulliam fans that of course are fans of mine, anybody who runs for them. So it was really cool. I'm glad to get out of here in one piece, and we'll go on to Caraway.
Yeah, so we're all jammed up. I'm going to the bottom. I told, man, I watched your line. I'm like, I should have given him a little bit lower and it'll stick. Which is, I think you got to get to. I can sit her down.
All right, Lee. Everybody knows my hero here. Tell me how proud of you are you driver. 25th to 11, running the bottom. Look like that old blue #1 that used to roll around here on the bottom come through 4.
Yeah, I mean, he really did a great job. He made a few adjustments on his line throughout the race, and put just a little bit of rear brake to the car, and I tell you, we was tracking him on Race Monitor, and at the end he was about a P2 race car right there. So the 8 car had us just a little bit on speed, but drive from 25th to 11th in this deal, it's not easy to do. So proud of the effort. We're working really hard on trying to improve our qualifying deal, because I feel like we start top 5 right there. He's got a good shot to run second or third, and he'll maybe even win this deal. So, but I appreciate having you here too, dude. You're my hero as well.
Yeah.
And, love what you do for the short track world.
Absolutely. Well, you know, if he'll calm down over there, we'll ask the question everybody's wondering: when we gonna see Lee Pulliam back in a race car?
Well, I guess you get me some damn sponsorship, and I'll drive that damn Boo-mobile.
No!
You want to go? So
There it is.
Yeah.
We've been talking about it. We got permission from the wife. So
yeah, I got permission from the wife. Drive a Boo-mobile. She said it's got a roll cage. She's
yeah, it ain't a Ford Crown Vic like she thought it was at first.
She thought we put the seatbelt on like
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
But,
Roll the window up.
Yeah.
Haters.
There she is, Leanne Pulliam. Makes the best tater tot casserole you gonna find in Virginia.
Yeah,
but
no, it'd be fun, you know. Like, I love all types of racing, any type of racing. And one thing, you know, when I drove, you know, I was so competitive. All I cared about was, you know, that's all I care about is winning. I want to win, I want to compete. But like, you know, I was so focused as a driver that I kind of missed out on some of the fun stuff and hanging out with guys. And guys didn't like me because I moved them out the way to win, whatever I had to do, and vice versa. So I've got to know a lot of cool people. You know, up and down this pit road, there's a lot of awesome people that you know, have the same passion for the sport as me, and I've got to know these guys over the years, and made a lot of lasting friendships. So you're one of them, and enjoy what you do, enjoy watching, and hopefully we'll both be in this deal for a long time.
All right, we're here with sometime spotter Keely Dubinsky, the Cars Tour Everything director. What have you been up to? You ain't been spotting lately because you've been so busy just living life. Tell us, Wilkesboro, tell us everything.
Man, I'm telling you, it's almost the end of the season, which is a very good thing because we're getting tired. You know, we're gearing up for the championship now, so it's just been crazy in the office. Jack and I are just busting butt trying to get everything ready. This season has been a long one, you know. I mean, we threw Wilkesboro in there. It was huge. Like,
all right, so Wilkesboro.
Yeah, so I mean, this year has just been crazy. You know, like I said, with adding events and things. It has been one of my most favorite seasons, though. Like, we're having so much fun. You know, the series has grown so much, especially since Wilkesboro. So we have a lot of exciting things planned for next year.
When can we expect news on those exciting things? November, December, soon?
Yes. Yeah, no, probably November, December for sure. Yeah, so we've got great plans for y'all.
All right, man, you got a little go-kart race planned at some point in life.
Yes.
What's this go-kart bet?
If I win, you have to let me drive your car.
And if I win, I get
the street stock, not your pickup truck.
Yeah, the street stock. So
yeah.
I get the Dubinsky family recipe spaghetti.
Oh.
That's what you act like.
Deal.
Got it.
You got it. I'm in.
Well, we walked in, the sun was rising, now the sun's setting on me and my boy Brandon Pierce. Great run tonight. So as y'all did see, I don't know if Brandon even knows yet, we're gonna keep going with the all-star street stock, and after Landon Huffman, Lee Pulliam hopping back in a race car. So real excited for that. So we're gonna go find us a hot steak and a cold beer now to end the day. Thank y'all very much for watching. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.